Ladder Latch Pro connects to the roof's edge, preventing the ladder from sliding or falling, creating a stable base to work from. It's only for use on homes or buildings with gutters, with or without gutter guards, and works with all extension ladders, attaching to either the right or the left side. Ladder Latch Pro is designed to be operated with one hand. This allows 3 points of contact with the ladder, as outlined by the Occupational Health and Safety Administration guidelines. Ladder Latch Pro should only be used in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. It's compact, lightweight, easy to install, and no tools are required. To begin, open all of Ladder Latch Pro's components and attach to belt loop or work belt for a safe climb. Simply position the steel wedge between the fascia and the gutter. Squeeze the trigger until the stopper arm compresses against the top edge of the gutter. Rotate and push in the hook until it captures the ladder's upright securely. Wrap stability strap around the ladder upright. To remove Ladder Latch Pro, unwrap the stability strap, then press the front quick-release lever and pull back to expand the steel wedge. Return to belt loop or work belt to climb down the ladder safely. Ladder Latch Pro. Simple, secure, stable.